Hello lecture laners! Today we'll be looking at how to factorize quadratic equations. Hope you enjoy. So today we'll be looking at factorizing non-monic quadratics. Now what a non-monic quadratic is when the x squared has a coefficient of 1. So anytime that a quadratic is just x squared, that is a non-monic quadratic. There are two things we need to know. First of all, the coefficient of the x and the constant term, as they each represent different things. Now when we factorize, it's going to turn into x plus a number times x plus another number. For now, let's call it a and b. Now the coefficient of the x, that represents a plus b. So both of them added together. And the constant term represents them multiplied by each other. So your goal is to figure out what two numbers add to give 5 and times to give 6. If you have a think, you'll see that it's 3 and 2. So therefore, if we wanted to factorize this quadratic, it would be x plus 3 times x plus 2. That would be factorizing our quadratic. Let's look at another example. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at the coefficient of the x, which in this case is 1. So although there's no number there, x just represents 1x. So that'll be 1. And we have negative 6. So negatives are important. So it's going to be what adds to give 1 and timeses to give negative 6. Now that might be a tricky one, but it's actually 3 and negative 2. So therefore, our factorized quadratic will be x plus 3 and x plus minus 2. But we'll just say x minus 2 to simplify it. Let's look at one more. So looking at our coefficient of x and our constant term, we need two numbers that add to give 9 and multiply to give 20. That will be 5 and 4. So therefore, our answer is x plus 5, x plus 4. Now I'll give you some practice questions to do by yourself. Alright, so here's some practice questions for you to attempt. I'll give you 5 seconds and then I'll show you the answers. Alright, so our answers, well, adds to give 10, times to give 9, that'll be 9 and 1. So x plus 9, x plus 1 is our answer. Adds to give negative 7 and times to give 12, that'll be negative 3 and negative 4. And finally, adds to give 5 and multiplies to give negative 14. That'll be 7 and negative 2. Alright, I hope this has helped. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.